Hi everybody, and welcome to the third section of this course. We are going to handle relational data into MongoDB during this section. So let's dive right into our first video and let's understand what is this relational data. So the first video will be about the taxi and owner schemas. Let's dive right into our code editors. So we want to have a taxi, and each taxi will belong to a certain company. And each taxi also has one owner. So we want to do that and explain that into code. So we will create a new model, which is called taxi.js. We will pretty much do the same thing as with the company model. So let's just copy everything here and paste it inside here. Let's modify some fields, taxi and taxi here. Now, what are the fields that we want to have? The first one will be brand, which is the brand of our taxi. For example, Mercedes or, I don't know, Opel, something like that. Then we will have our model, which will be also a string and it will be also required. And this will be, for example, E-class or, I don't know, the model of a certain brand. Then we will have the year, and this will be a number. And it will represent in which year was this taxi made, for example, 2015, and it will be required. And then we will have nothing else besides the owner, but we need to create a new schema for that. And to do that, we will not use the new model, and I will explain why in just a second, but first let's create the owner schema. The owner will have a name, and also we'll have experience, which will be a number saying how many years of experience does this owner have, this driver. You can call it however you want. Okay, now this owner schema, so this owner model will be implemented as a sub-document to the taxi document. And let me write the code so you can understand how we will do that. So this is what we needed to do. We need to declare a new data field inside taxi schema, which will be called owner, and it will be equal to the owner schema. So this means inserting a sub-document inside a parent document. And the other way to express relationship, so in this way we are expressing a relationship of one-to-one between the taxi and the owner. Another way to do that will be by referencing. And this is basically the topic of our next video. So for now, we are just done with this file.